welcome to my video. Today I'm going to give you my Ahri KDMore makeup tutorial. It's super easy. And remember, this character needs to have a super nice contour and eye makeup. So, let's start it! I'm using Vaseline lip therapy because I'm having a lip damage, so my lip makeup will be nice. And don't forget to use my contact lens. I'm going to teach you some cosplay makeup trick. Most of my cosplay friends do this. You can using face tape to make your face slimmer or make your face look divine. And I'm using V-shaped face tape. Now it's time to apply foundation. This is my current favorite foundation and they have so many shades. And I'm using the hydrated makeup sponge. And also I'm building my foundation with 2 layers and then blend it again. This is one of my favorite concealer. I'm using this concealer just to hide my acne. Next is making my eyebrow. This is the most hardest part for me to do cosplay makeup. So I'm making the easy way to make my eyebrow. As you can see, I'm marking a point to do my eyebrow. After that, you can make the border for your eyebrow. And it's super easy and fast. Don't forget to fill and blend it to make it natural. Go on next step, I'm applying a concealer with my brush to cleaning the top and bottom of my brow. And using brow mascara to make my brow more hairy since my brow hair is so thin. Don't forget doing my highlight. This is the most important step for achieving nice Ahri cosplay makeup. And this is my most favorite product for highlight. For the contour is the most important part also. Make sure you know your face so you can do a nice contour. And I'm blending it first because this contour set time shorter than my highlight. Then blend my highlight using sponge. Also, I'm using my favorite blush on palette from Makeover to contour my face. It's super nice and easy to blend. So let's move on to the another hardest part is eye makeup. I'm using Full Color Eyeshadow Sunset Palette. First, I'm applying all over of my lid and under eye with sunrise shade. For inner and outer corner of my lid, I'm applying eyeshadow shade Horizon and don't forget my under eye also. Just the center of my lid, applying concealer and blend it nicely with my brush. After that, use firework shade and apply it with my finger to center of my eye, then take my brush and blend the glitter into another eyeshadow. take the baby shade and apply it just on the top of my eyeshadow, below my eyebrow and my inner corner. And take my makeover blush on palette to make fake egg yolk. It's time to liner my eyes. I'm using this my favorite eyeliner, and don't forget to make a wing eyeliner because this character have a short eyes, and draw it into the inner corner. Don't forget to curl my eyelash. Most important item is fake eyelash. This eyelash is recommended by me because it's 3D effect and so light and it's so comfortable to wear. Don't forget to tidy up your eyeliner after put up my fake eyelashes. It's not yet finished. Apply lower eyeliner to make my eyes bigger, then blend it up. And this is the key of my makeup. Since this character from Korea, I'm using a glitter all over my eyes to achieve idol look. Moving to the last part of my eye makeup is under eyelash. This is also the key to make my eye bigger and achieve a Ahri character. Now it's time to blush. I'm using my favorite blush palette and choose the most natural color into my cheek and my nose. Move to the next step is highlighter. I'm giving you my most point to highlight my face is under eye and above my brow, cheeks, chin, cupid bows, and nose bridge. Moving to make Ahri whiskers, and be careful when you make this. If you messed up, so it'll be hard. And I'm using my full color eyeshadow to fill my Ahri whiskers. Moving on, lip makeup. I'm using these two lip products. First, using I Mean Crayon Matte shade number 1, apply it all over my lid. And then using shade number 3 for my inner of my lid. Take concealer and apply it into outer part of my lip. Blend it with my brush. After that, take Joy Lab lip gloss and apply it with brush. So the makeup is done. Let's use the wigs, guys.